To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning call.
Good morning, and I woke up at 5 so I can edit and upload my Vlogmas. I am exporting it right now, so actually when I come back from the gym, I'll upload it. I'm heading to the gym, obviously, duh, but I wanted to show you guys because like literally it was dark when I woke up. Now the sun is coming out, so this is the view. So gorgeous, obsessed. So I'm gonna go to the gym and I'll show you guys what's up in the gym. I was gonna walk out of that sweatshirt and I realized that it's 38 degrees. No. Okay, so I put on my faux fur jacket. I hope it's not too extra at literally 6:52 a.m. I'm gonna do a quick workout. So excited to go. Bye. Mwah. Oh my god, it's so cold. 38 degrees. My ears are so cold. But the Equinox is across the street from One Oak, a club I used to go to all the time. I still go there. Yay, we're here.
Into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when
So the gym that I went to was Equinox Highline, and I've totally been to that one before. Actually, my friend, I went with my friend. Maybe I could find the vlog from that time. Whoa, this lighting is actually so good. But I've totally been to that one. Oh my gosh, it was so cold walking. Like, I didn't even vlog because literally my ears were freezing and I was like, you know, so I like couldn't do it. But yeah, I am back in the room. I'm gonna do a quick little shower, and then I am going to go downstairs and get my hair done. So it's gonna be so much fun and cute. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, I did try to record like my workout like a little bit. I couldn't, like, there were so many people. Like, New York City is like that. Like, all the gyms, I feel like, well, I feel like the Rockefeller Center one that I go to, it's not that crowded. This one was like crowded, and maybe it was like the time that I went, because I went at like 6:50 or like 7, so maybe it was the time is like before work and stuff, you know, like everyone goes. And I just feel like the New York game is just like that, you know. In LA, like, there's people at the gym, but it's like not as crazy crowded. So anyways, yeah, I'm like hungry, but I'm not gonna get room service because I gotta get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And well, I like, sorry I couldn't vlog. Like, it literally was so crowded. There's like people. I did like a little bit. I like filmed a little bit of my planking and like child's pose, and then a little bit of shoulder stand, but it was just hard, you know. But I did like this similar workout as like my like kind of catching up emergency, like quick like abs. I always like to do that because I feel like, I don't know, you know, I just want to be snatched. So that's what I always work on, my abdominals, and that's what I do at yoga. So that's what I work on. And then I didn't really do like weights or anything. I usually just use my body weight, you know. So I just did that workout, and then maybe I can sneak one in tomorrow morning, but we'll see, depending on how late I go out tonight. But yeah, it was cold outside, but it was fun. I loved working out, and I actually feel like really warm now, so I love that. All right, guys, I'm gonna re-zhuzh and then go to the salon downstairs at IGK. Bye. Right? Oh my god, I can't even see you, Tristan. It's like you're the sun. It's like you're a ghost.
That's okay.
We are here in my room. Tristan, I want to see you. This lighting though. Okay, we're gonna film like the rest of it actually at the IGK salon, but he's here to do my hair once the salon opens. We're just early birds, you know. We wake up really early and then we glam really early, but we are going to film the rest of it in the salon. But I wanted to introduce you guys to Tristan because he did come to my room to give me a look. Hey. Yeah. be back for more, probably New York Fashion Week again. We'll serve some looks. Oh my god, I'm moving the ponytail, but I love it. It's perfect. And I'm off to a New York adventure. Thank you, Tristan. And IGK hair. Love it. It is so cold. But Ryan and I are such New Yorkers right now. Oh my god, my ear's freezing. Okay, yeah, this is Perry Street. So one of the streets is like the street that Sex and the City, Carrie Bradshaw. Wait, we're going this way, right? Oh, I gotta look at my map. I know, I'm cold too. But we're like so ambitious, you know? We decided to walk. We're going to eat at San Ambrose, which is a place that I went to during New York Fashion Week. I think we're going the right way. Let me just check. Be right back. Oh wait, that track is covering it. But I made it to Saks. We're gonna go across the street. I'm like so excited. I'm obsessed with Saks and how Christmassy it is during the holidays. Oh my god, so cute, right? The Rockefeller Center tree.
It's so
cold, so cute. I love it. Love it, love it.
Those streets would be kind of cute.
Yeah. Way too excited to go to Saks. Look how cute. So that whole thing up there lights up, like the whole building. The whole thing, all the way to the top lights up. You see all those little like bubbles, like the lights? I know.
Really cute.
And it lights up even like midnight, like all night. Okay, we're going in. Oh, thank you. So busy, everyone's so booked and busy. Yo. Guess who's here? Why is this? It's been so bright today. This is Ben. You guys remember him from my New York Fashion Week vlog, like #1 from like 2001?
2000.
No, not actually 2001, but anyways, so I went shopping with Ryan and I got Fendi tights. Literally, I feel like I haven't bought anything Fendi for such a long, or I haven't bought anything Fendi ever. But oh my gosh, no, I have thank you next week. No, the vibe is thank you next vibe, you know? Okay, anyways, yeah, so I got tights. Yes. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I gotta get ready because I literally have 30 minutes to get ready. Oh. And I gotta redo my makeup. Alright guys, see you at the party, Times Square.
Up in this bed next to you is where the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I might get to too much talking. Might have to tell you something.
The Covergirl store in Times Square. You want all in a video?
I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. Stay with me. Stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay with me. Lay here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. From the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
In Times Square, heading home, back to the hotel. with a fan. The Covergirl store was epic. Literally like 2 amazing floors of makeup, goodies, merch, photo booths, video booths, and you could swatch everything and test everything out. I thought it was really cool. But yeah, oh my god, Times Square is always so busy, like 24/7. It's actually kind of late, like 9:40, and it's just so poppin' all the time. It's crazy. It's so interesting. We were trying to walk like a little bit, like around to take pictures, but it was cold. Even though I'm wearing this, yeah, it was cold. So yeah, I love it.
Wrong door.
Just trying to create a scene, right? That videography though. Let the room be on deck, always. What did you do back there? What did you do, like a bend and snap? Hey guys, so it's like Vlogmas day, like I don't even know, 5. I feel so stupid because I left my camera in an Uber and I vlogged in the Uber on the way back from the Covergirl store opening. And I feel like a loser. Like, how did I forget it? And now I can't even really like do Vlogmas. It's gonna be like not the same quality, and the audio is not gonna be the same because I have to try to do it from the phone. And like everything that I did today, I don't have the footage for it. And alright guys, so I'm actually in my room and I'm leaving in like 2 minutes. But I got my camera back from the most amazing Uber driver ever, Antonio, who was the last ride I took from the Covergirl Times Square to the hotel. I had vlogged in the car at Times Square, and then I had to put the camera down, which is so weird. I think my camera fell in between the seats. So when I was like sliding out of the car, I couldn't find it. I got back to my hotel room. I was doing like little videos and stuff with Ben, and I had changed my outfit for my second change. I was gonna take photos in my second outfit of the night, and I couldn't find my camera. I was like, oh my gosh, where is it? Realized that it wasn't in my room and left it in the Uber. I freaked out, called the Uber driver. Obviously, you know, he's working and it's late at night, and he had said he picked up, you know, like so many other people already, because obviously we're in the city and like, you know, people always request Ubers. Anyways, he was like, okay, I'm gonna pull over and look. It wasn't there. So I started crying, obviously, because I, you know, want to continue doing Vlogmas, and I wanted to have the footage for the Covergirl party, and I wanted to, you know, put the Vlogmas out there and the video out there as soon as possible. I was like, oh my gosh, all my footage and my pictures and everything that I got from the trip, I just want the memory card back. And then on the phone I talked to him, he couldn't find it. Then he was like, hey, I'm gonna check at home in my garage when I'm home and I'll look. I was like, all right. He's like, call me in an hour and a half because that's his commute home. And then I called him in an hour and a half. He's like, I just got home, so I'm gonna check. He called me like maybe 30-40 minutes later, and he's like, is it a Canon G7X, like a heavy camera? And I said, yeah, it is. And I was like already in tears, literally had cried all my mascara, like makeup off, because I thought it was just gone. And he had it. He found it in between, stuck in between 2 seats, and he was like, I don't know how it got there. It must have like, I mean, I feel like it just slid in, and maybe that's why nobody else that like went in the car like saw it or found it, because it was probably stuck in between the seats. But we found it, and this is why I have it, and what an amazing person to return it to me and drive all the way back into the city to give it back to me. And you know, and Uber is such an amazing company, because I was so sad. I had tweeted about it and they called me like on the phone and was like, hey, we're gonna work with you to get this item back, and if you know, because I have a flight, and like the car's coming to pick me up and then I have a flight, and he's like, if you know he isn't able to make it back in time to give it back to you, we're gonna like ship it. Like, that's how amazing Uber the company is, and it's just so great like to have a company work with you like that, and to really understand like a person's feelings and how they feel, and like their belongings. I feel like I'm literally about to cry even though I got my camera back. Like, I feel like it's just like, I was so sad, like just like the memories, you know, but I'm just so happy that they gave it back to me, and I had such an amazing experience. And I've been using Uber since before they even had UberX. I've been using Uber since like it was like black town cars only, because you know, I am in the LA area and that's how they started. I've been using Uber since like the beginning of time, and I'll never stop using Uber, and I am a happy Uber customer. And thank you so much, Uber, for working with me, and thank you so much, Antonio. Thank you again, and it was an amazing New York trip. I'm still like gonna vlog on at the airport, but that's my view, and I'm just really happy I got my camera back. So it's a really great end of the trip. I thought I was gonna be so sad being like, okay, I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone, but I got it, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.